This is where my roots are, and this is where my passion still is. It's a glimpse in the future of SOLIDWORKS and 3DEXPERIENCE world.
SOLIDWORKS has enabled us for a number of years to create incredible designs.
It's not about just creating products. Customers demand an experience.
Everybody's got their dream and they're excited to make it happen. That's what this is all about, and that's what's driving me, and that's what's driving everybody here.
Everybody loves the software, everybody loves to make things, and so coming to a place where everybody comes together and just for that reason is such a cool experience.
You want to do more than just design things. You want to experience things.
I am very proud to be part of this community of passionate people.
We want to help engineers and users save time and money so they can invest in innovation.
I use this product every day, and then now I come here and find out I've been using it wrong, or there's a feature I didn't know about that makes my workload like twice as easy.
I'm really just kind of hitting the ground running, connecting with others doing interesting things in the SolidWorks space.
I'm ready to join the industry, so meeting others who already work in the industry is pretty cool.
This is what we are here for. So thank you for being here. Thank you for inspiring us. Please enjoy the rest of the convention. Thank you very much.